Hey, it's Angeline here. Today I have a brand new crafty video for you with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to play with glass bead gels. So first up, I already stamped and colored this cute new Phyllis Harris stamp, and I'm grabbing my golden glass bead gel. There are many other brands out there, and what this is actually a clear gel medium with actual glass bits in it, so it will actually create a really nice texture. So what's different about gels and let's say embossing paste is that gels dry translucent, but embossing paste dries opaque. So what I'm doing here is grabbing my palette knife and just placing some on it like icing on a cake, but creating some really puffy, fluffy kind of texture so that it will dry this way. So once you're done, just let it dry naturally, and here is how it looks like once it's done. Just check out all the glass beads, how cool that is. It may not look really nice right now, but once you add some color to it, it will look better, trust me. So I'm grabbing some golden watercolor here and putting some onto my craft mat, and then I'm grabbing my water brush just to dilute the colors a little bit more, and then I'm just coloring directly onto the textured gel and creating this really nice cloud-like effect. And where you can see all the textures will be showing up really well. So here is how it looks like close up. Check out how cool the texture is. So here is my finished card. Hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!